Are you finding that Google's Safesearch is filtering out search results you need, and you want to turn it off on your laptop using Chrome? In this tutorial, I'll walk you through how to disable Safesearch step by step, explain what might get in the way, and help you get the search experience you really want. By the end, you'll know exactly how to adjust Safesearch, plus what to do if things don't go quite as planned. Let's dive right in. So first things first, Safesearch is Google's built-in tool for keeping explicit or inappropriate search results out of sight. That can be helpful sometimes, especially for younger users. But if you're an adult or need uncensored results for genuine research, you might want it off. Start by opening Google Chrome on your laptop. It doesn't matter if you're on Windows or Mac, the process is the same. Now, you'll want to head directly to Google's Safesearch settings page. You can do this by typing Google Safesearch settings into the search bar. But I suggest using the specific link provided in the video description to get there faster and avoid any confusion. Click on that link and you'll land on the Safesearch settings page. Take a look at the section labeled Safesearch Filters. Here, you'll see a couple of options. One to turn Safesearch on and one to turn it off. If you're seeing that On option selected, it means Safesearch is active and filtering your results. To disable it, simply select Off. It's really that straightforward. After you've done that, scroll to the bottom and look for a button like Save or Apply. Go ahead and click that to make sure your changes stick. Now, a quick note. You might notice that the setting won't change or that it snaps right back to On. This can be a little confusing, but don't worry. If you can't switch Safesearch off, take a look around to see if there's a message saying the setting is locked. This usually happens if your device is managed by a school, a workplace, or a parent. It means your administrator has chosen to keep Safesearch on for everyone logged into that network. If that's the case, you won't be able to change the setting yourself. In this situation, you might need to contact whoever manages your network for more information. But sometimes, it's not about administrators. It's about your browser itself. If Safesearch still won't change after you try these steps, your browser might be holding on to old information. Here's what you can do. Clear your cache and cookies in Chrome. This sounds a bit technical, but it's really just like giving your browser a spring cleaning. Updating this stored data lets Chrome and Google work together correctly. To do this, click the three-dot menu at the top right of Chrome, choose Settings, then Privacy and Security, and look for Clear Browsing Data. When you select Cached Images and Files and Cookies, then hit Clear Data, you're set. Afterward, restart your browser and revisit the Safesearch settings page. You should now be able to adjust the filter as you want. If there's still an issue, take a breath and just double-check you're signed into the correct Google account, especially if you use multiple profiles. Sometimes Safesearch settings are tied to your account, not just the browser itself. And that's it. By following these steps, you're in control of Google Seed's Safesearch and can get the search results you need. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button. I really appreciate it. Drop a comment below if you have questions or run into trouble. And don't forget to subscribe for more practical tech tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your searches.